Ik, leson alam na arjula.
Kopia lama tipom.
Tar kipu he lo su kolom aja kong tipipu. Kuson si kolom chole aja kong kido poi.
Kardom, Carving Long Life, Kelang Ratunduan. Today we have a very special guest in our Carving Long Life studio. He's a multifaceted person who loves writing stories, and he is associated with the Karbi Student Association. Today we welcome you to the studio. And first of all, you introduce yourself to the Carving Long Life viewers.
Kardom. First of all, thank you so much to the entire team of Carving Long for having me here today in this studio and letting me to share out insight about the world of my short film, TIRSAN, a Philomet. So I'm very excited and very happy.
Okay. Tell us more about your childhood, where you grown up and your parents and your native village.
Okay. So my name is Rustom Teron.
Okay.
We have a small family with only 5 members. My father's name is Babu Teron.
Okay.
My mother's name is Mikri Ronghangpi. And we have 3 siblings.
Oh. So you are the elder one, or?
No.
Okay.
My sister is the elder one. She got married in the year 2020, I think.
Okay.
Currently, she is residing here in Difu.
Oh.
And my younger brother is there.
Okay.
Altogether, we have 5 members in the house.
And your village? Tell us more about your village.
My village is located on the bank of the river called Amlong Sarpo.
Okay.
Which is called Lumjong Kathararong. Which is located at Kolong West Karbiang.
And your education from where you started?
I have started my education, and during my schooling days, I used to study from Don Bosco.
Oh, you're Bosconian.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till my matriculation. And after that, when I passed my matriculation, I was supposed to choose for a commerce stream.
Okay. Is there available in commerce stream in West Carving?
No.
Okay.
There is a story for this also.
Okay.
First of all, when I passed my matric exam, I just told my parents that I'm going for commerce stream. My parents doesn't know whether the stream is available in West Karbiang Long or not.
Oh.
They are not quite familiar with all this. And my brother is there.
Okay.
He told me that there is no commerce stream and science stream in the West Karbiang Long.
Still now?
Till now.
Oh my God.
Yes. And then my brother used to encourage me that to study in this government college here at Dongkamukam, Rangsna College. And then if I go there, I have to choose art stream. But what I wish to go is for commerce. And if I want to go for a commerce, at least I should go Hojai.
Or either Nogang.
Either Nogang. So when I told this, my parents, they were worried about me, and then telling me that they can't afford me for all this because all 10 years I've been studying in Don Bosco School. Then there the fee structure, everything is very costly.
Yeah.
So
mission school. Yeah.
My parents just told me to just go in the government school and acquire education. So and then after all, even my brother also encouraged me a lot, and I listened to him as a senior. And then I admitted there at Rangsna College from first year up to my graduation.
Tell us more about Rangsina College, when it was established and how the education system is there out there.
Actually, no, I don't know the exact year when it was established, but so to say, it is a old college in the West Karbiang Long. And then when I studied there, so to say that higher secondary level is quite good.
Okay.
Then
what about the teachers and all, the faculties? And
the faculties are good enough.
Okay.
And they are teaching, their skill is quite enough.
The environment and all.
The environment, but there, one things I want to let the people know is that
Okay.
the students, most of the students who don't like to attend the class is the
Okay.
maximum in the college.
Uh-huh.
And
They go to the college, but
they-
not inside
no,
the class.
No, but there was one teacher, I don't exactly remember her name also. She was very strict.
Okay.
Whenever she showed the student outside, she used to bring stick and
Really?
Yeah.
Even in the college?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Even in the college, she used to bring stick and he used to chase one another.
Like that?
Yeah, in order to make them attend the class.
Oh wow, bravo. Her name, please.
I don't know exactly, but
She belong to Karbi community or?
yeah, Garbi.
Okay.
And then student used to call him for her arrogance. Birigman used to call for his.
Birigman.
Since we know that Birigman.
Oh. Okay.
She was referred as Birigman
Okay.
by the students.
Okay. Is he still there?
Yeah, still there.
Okay.
Still teaching.
Okay.
So whenever I used to meet her, I used to just talk about all this during what is happening in the school college.
College.
days.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, which year did you graduate from there?
I've graduated from the geography department.
Okay.
It was last year.
How was the experience of a college life?
College life.
Did you have a fight with anyone in the
No,
college?
I haven't fight with anyone, even in the school, even in
Okay.
the college also. I never quarrel with anyone.
Okay.
And then during my schooling days, I was such quiet person. I never talk with my friend also.
What?
I have only few friends in the school also.
Okay.
No, they used to say, no, I'm like a attitude person. They used to say, because I never talk with anyone in the class. That was one of my close friend. He also is a Teron.
Okay.
Saint Teron and Johnson Teron. With him, I used to talk all the matters, and with the rest of the friend, I never chat like how I did with Johnson.
Okay.
So all of them were scared.
It's not about the
talking to
trust or it's not about the friendship and all, but you love to keep things by yourself.
me. Yes.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that I'm showing my attitude or I'm just if I don't like talking each other. No, not like that.
Okay.
I'm a quiet person. Since, I used to. Sometimes I used to stay alone, and that what I told you that Johnson used to come near me and used to talk. Used to talk each other.
Okay. Tell us more about your hobbies, apart from education and all.
My hobbies, I love singing.
Okay.
Well, at one point of time, I just go for singing also.
Okay.
Even in the Karbi Anglong, there is what to call that one? Long Beach
talent hunt.
And there also I have just go for a this one competition also, and then top 15 or top 10 I think there I was disqualified.
Okay, so let's do some, that particular song that you have sung in that Long Beach Talent Hunt.
That
The
particular
Karbi
song.
live viewers would love to hear from you.
Okay,
So let's do it.
so let's try.
Okay. One stanza is enough.
I don't exactly remember, but let me.
Okay, you can sing another song also.
Oh, the song which is sung by the Junior Samson in TIT.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, go for it.
Okay. Sing vene kavulu lakhaune seki kamu ne kaike panghundu ke samdun kaike donang phan kang honon puhan bahane tangte det ne pharman ke jadi dam tangalam di ansi thek chalane kabirti. That's the line. I think.
You are a little bit familiar with Junior Samson. Little the voice quality and all the way you sang.
Yeah.
It's, quite familiar with him.
Oh, yeah.
Do you love that particular guy who Yeah.
Yeah, actually no. Since I born 1999, but still then I love to hear 90s music.
Oh.
That's why most of the song I like.
Do you write song?
Yes, I write of my own. Yeah, last year, even from my school, represent in the this one, Karbi, that one, what to say, Junel Festival from my school also. One particular group song also written by me only, and then a duet song, and then solo song. All 3 songs was written by myself only for my students. Yeah.
So how you associate with the Karbi Student Association?
It was in the year 2017, I think. As one of my school teacher there, Teron. From that particular period, he's working in the KSA.
Okay.
And then he told me just to come and just see the how organization work and how they are building the relation with one another. So and then I started going. First was that when the procession was held from Dongkamukam, Sojong Dongkamukam to till here.
Okay.
What to say? In the main market.
Okay.
The procession is going on during night.
Okay.
Then I used to attend there, and from there I've got the interest to involve in the students association also. And from that particular period onward, I used to go whenever there is a meeting, whenever there is a like procession, other protests. I used to attend.
Your designation in the KSA?
Currently, now at present, my designation is an education secretary in the Kolonga
Sub-branch or okay.
Sub-branch.
What do you see after involving yourself in the organization, something like a big name KSA?
After involving in the student organization, I have changed a lot.
Okay.
I got all this one knowledge,
obedience, discipline of life.
Yes.
Okay. Then
I've changed all my life also, and then now this due to lack of time, I couldn't give all my time to organization. Since last month, I think this one KSA member in this one branch is going to reshuffle, and then they used to call me for this one reshuffle. But that time our school, the examination is going on, so I could not attend. So we are planning to take this reshuffle next month.
Okay.
After the reshuffle, we'll be going for the district members.
Oh.
After from here up to there.
So it's been how many years you are being involved with the KSA?
So it's 2017, and this is 2026. How many years it will be? Like
7? No.
2017. Then it is almost 7.
Yeah. Okay. So apart from your journey, like KSA organization and all, apart from that, I hear that you are a part-time teacher.
Yeah.
So tell us more about how you.
It was when I passed my matriculation. I used to go college here in the Dongkamukam itself, and then there was one school in our village.
Okay.
That is Simigov, I think, ad hoc venture school, which was run by my uncle. And then
that school name is
Longbirik English High School.
Oh, it is the English school.
English
okay.
School.
Before it was Assamese or what? No.
No.
Okay.
From the beginning itself, it is English.
Okay.
And then
the only school of your area, or
there is,
okay.
but the newly opened school is that Longbirik English High School.
Okay.
Then one day, my uncle talks to me over telephone. There is many students in our school. If you wish to take tuition and all, you can come. Then I said okay. Then from the next day, I went to teach tuition for almost two weeks. After all, what he has seen in me, what qualities he has seen in me, then he told me not to go from here and instead to involve in the teaching.
Okay. So after joining as a tuition teacher, you are
become the teacher,
class teacher.
Class teacher. And then that time I was just passed my metric exam,
Mm-hmm.
and then he used to send me to teach in ninth standard.
Oh,
Then-
at that time, are you graduate or it
No,
was just
it was just
higher secondary or something like that?
first year.
Oh,
Then
then how come you could manage teaching in a class 9?
first no, I used no, I got very scared to enter the class also. Even myself is not fully
Confidence,
confident.
yeah, okay.
Since I am just past my
Oh, yeah, okay,
exam.
metric, yeah.
And then if I go and teach, what I'm going to do there, how I will interact with the students, all those thoughts in my mind, and I scared of entering the class. But at last, I just keep confidence in me, in myself, and then I entered the class. And the easiest book I took, which is that is elective geography with a small books there, no?
Okay.
That I took, and I started teaching the most easiest chapter.
Oh.
That is agriculture. From there onward, I just managed to teach.
Okay,
And
you
then,
got from that you got the confidence.
I got a confidence, and all the students give full this one. What to say? Attention when I take the class.
Okay.
And then after the class, the principal went and just take the feedback from the students.
Okay.
And they said, okay, I think maybe. So from the next day, he again gave me another subject, which is history.
Oh.
Then from there onward, I teach 2-3 months, and I got my confidence. And continually, I just went and teach there in that school.
Oh, are you still there?
Still there till today.
Okay.
First batch, when I teach, one of my students got letter marks in my subject.
Wow, congratulations. So how tough is to become a teacher? Because for you need to be set example by yourself also. It is a disciplined life. A teacher model is something very unique with other profession. So how come? So how tough it is for you to do at this young age?
Being a teacher is not an easy task.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, being a teacher is not an easy task. What I mean to say is that once you become a teacher, you have to maintain your discipline.
Yeah, definitely.
Like dressing sense.
Yeah, definitely.
You cannot dress like anyhow. So when you go to school, you have to maintain a lot of things. And then apart from going to school, besides going to school after the class, whenever you go in the market, or it may be in the public place, or it may be in the picnic spot, you cannot go wearing like anyhow, and then you cannot go if we met the students. Then definitely the students will follow.
Yeah.
My teacher is wearing like that. Teacher is doing like that, they will definitely follow. So keeping all those thoughts in mind, I must say that this is one of the most difficult tasks, being a teacher. But once you become a teacher, you got lots of respect from the students also, from the public also. From every section of the society, you got
definitely
huge respect. That's why I love being a teacher also now. Before, I love singing, I love writing the stories. But once I entered in that school, I love, and I'm proud of being the teacher of Inglongri English High School.
Oh, wow. So how you manage yourself? Because you're associated with the Karbi Student Association, and at the same time you're a writer, producer. So tell us more about your TIRSAN, no?
TIRSAN.
TIRSAN.
Yeah.
TIRSAN. We hear that for the last 1 year, you have been trying to produce a short movie, especially for the underprivileged children, their education right, about the children's, their being, what to say, their children are being exploited. And you can see even in Difu Golf School, almost 90% of the students are from the poor background family. Those they don't have the the money to go for further studies, and the parents are poor, so they keep their children to other homes. So how you manage to get the idea from
like making short
the short movie?
It was actually where
I heard that it is also associated with the Karbi Student Association also.
I started making this one film was when I loved making a film that started in my mind when I was in class 7.
Oh, even I hear that this short movie is produced by you, directed by you.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Then this before this we have done one short film which is based on the true event. We inspired from the incident of Sumila Ramhan.
Oh.
And then that was the same year when that incident happened. We made the film. And that film we represent in the Indonesian Film Festival also.
Wow.
And then,
the premiere.
yeah,
Okay.
by this one, my class teacher, that is Sarbis Teron. He just represent there as on behalf of the Karbi Students Association. That story also written by myself.
Oh.
Even I did the editing work, everything. I just give it the output to my teacher, and he just represent there.
Oh my God.
Then from there onward, again, this is the second time. Actually, this is not a short movie.
Okay.
Since I love making a film, so I thought one day maybe I could be able to make a film like that.
We have seen the master of your project. The way the camera angle was, focusing, and the artists, the colors, everything was quite good for a newcomer like you. So we are very excited. Tell us more about.
So making a film is not an easy task. You need to know behind the reason why, what essential things it is needed in the filmmaking process. Like first you have to go and find your DOP, which is the one who shot the film, was the cameraman. After that, you have to go for the editor. And the most important things is that you have to go for the music producer, the one who scored the music. Now, so far I know the film which is produced in Karbi Anglong, like in the background score, especially in the background score section. Now, most of the background score they just copied it from YouTube and put it like that. Now, so these things should be aware when you made a film that particular background should match with the theme of the story.
Exactly.
Yeah. Even the color tone, color grading, editing work, all this should be matched with the storyline, so that it will come good output. So thinking all this, first when I started narrating that story to myself, I just imagined that this character is going to play by Chakra.
Oh.
Then I started building my story. I write the scripts. Once it's ready, then I just approach him. First, I scared of approaching him also, since he is the professional artist in Karbi.
Okay, the senior artist also.
So I don't have his number also. And then one of my friends is there in my native. He used to do all the video music album, all this. And then I asked with him. He gave me the number, and early morning I called him, and just he give to me a response that I have one stories I want to make with you. This story is for you. I said to him, and then he said, okay. Then from the next day, I started writing all the character. Once I finalized the script, again I approached to him, and he said, okay. Then we started doing it.
So how the idea came to you?
This idea is practically I had seen the condition, the situation
also of Karbi Anglong.
Yeah.
About the education system, about the village life and all.
First of all, I thought of writing the tragedy story. And then I realized most of the film, most of the music video, till now, you see in Karbi Anglong is all romantic and other tragic story, So I just want to come out from that genre.
Trending,
yeah.
Same trending, okay.
I just want to come out from that genre, and I want to try something new which give awareness to the people also.
In the master, in the project, I have seen 3 to 4 points, which are very meaningful, and this will be a very good awareness for our society, and especially the education department, especially the head of the department, like EM, how he should work for the quality of the education, and how he should work, how he should focus of our children's educations, the quality of the education, the school building and all. And then secondly, I have seen that our local women vendors, especially the Karbi, those who sell the organic food in the market, they don't have the place to sit also in the market because due to influx from others. And these things point I have seen there. And thirdly is how the brothers sisters bonding together, and how the village life, how the children are not going to the school, they are just playing around. The parents are not aware because the children should be go to the school first, and from there only they can build the foundation and all. So they are not aware of education. So these things I have seen in your project. So tell us more about.
So this idea came in my mind when I started writing the character of the film. So first of all, I told you that earlier I said that I was supposed to make the tragic film, but later on I realized then I have to just manage myself to write this one different story from what it is showing now. So I started writing that one, taking the theme of education, and then I know we have seen practically here in Karbi.
At the same time, you are also associated with the Karbi Student Association, and at the same time also you are a teacher.
Yeah, we have visited many school and many village. Some maximum of the village in Karbi Anglong, I can see that there is no education, proper educational system in the village. So keeping all this thought in mind, I write first, and then in that particular story, I just want to rebuild it again. This one, brothers and that sister bonding. I wanted to show that also, and at the same time, I wanted to add economic condition
of our daily life.
How the vendors are just doing in selling their goods in the market. What are the problems they are facing? All this I want to just highlight in that film, and I started writing all this.
I've seen one point also. It is very useful, very meaningful also. There is a school. There are also students, but the teacher he never tried to attend the school daily. Once in a week or two days, 3 days, something like that, he go to the school. So these are the factor. And in our society we have seen that in one school there is only one teacher, and that particular teacher also engage in like BLO, like that, something like that.
So this is what I practically seen, the scene where we have shot. We have shot that scene in at Langminso LP school. That school also still there is no benches, there is no table. When we went for the shot, I asked the villager there. Then they just replied to me that the school condition is very poor. Even the teacher is not coming to teach the school for a month. Like that. So again, when I went to shot that, that particular scene, from there onward, again the idea came. And I write,
so from there you took.
After returning from the shot, when I reach home, again I rewrite the scene and I just put it into the film. And that's the practical scene. Not only at Langminso LP school, there are many schools which the teacher never engage in teaching, like for a month, for a couple of months. In some school, they used to appoint some of the local teacher by giving like 2,500 per month, like that. No, so all this what I have seen, and I just write it down and put in the film. And then there is one particular scene also there in my film. Was that in that particular scene only, when the IS visited the school and asked the villager how they are managing their children to go to school. All this. No, when he asked all this, the villager replied to the officer that since they are from poor family and they are illiterate. So say they don't know about whether there is teacher or not, but they are sending their children every day to school. That particular point also came in my mind from that particular place, Langmin Song.
Oh, so how much time it takes you to make this film?
Actually, this almost a year.
Oh,
Actually,
due to financial problem or?
Yes, sometimes it's financial problem. Sometimes it's lack of time. Since I myself is a teacher.
Oh, I have seen in that master in your project that most of the artists were new to this role, and how you manage?
This is also a very long story. When I started writing this story, first I never thought that I'm going to make a short film. I wish to make a full film, which is
full-fledged.
Full-fledged film that is 3.5 hours film.
Oh.
Then even I thought in my mind, if I approach the producer, if they like my narration, they will produce definitely. So once I got the producer, I will just split the movie into 2 parts. I will just make it 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, so that the budget will be needed only this one. You can manage with the small amount of the budget also. So I just wanted to split the movie into 2 parts. But later on, when this call come from the Karbi Students Association that we have to make a film, another film like the recent year, then I don't have fresh story with me. So what I have developed that story for 3 hours, that I have rebuilt it again and make it into short movie. Then first, when I started writing the character, I used to think for one of the finance and the popular actor. That is Teron. He was the first choice of
in your mind.
In
okay,
mind.
You are thinking about him. Okay.
Then later on, if it is a short movie, he will not come. He is far away from our place. Like, I don't know his exact location also, but he is.
He's from Daitor.
Daitor, right? Is Karbi Anglong. So for one short film, maybe he will come, but I will not approach for a short film. So here near there is a finance actor, in the field of comedian also. He can do each and every roles. So I just approached him and we did it.
Oh, so the budget and all?
Right from the day of we started shooting till the day it
transporting and all, fooding, paying to the artists.
Taking all this, almost 70,000.
So are you planning, because every year they used to, the Rangsina Sarpo Award, especially for the short movie. And are you planning to apply for it?
Now this movie?
Yeah, because this time there will be the prize money also very high, like 2 lakhs, something like that. So it will be a benefit if the short movie gets selected, if luck is there in you.
To submit there in the Rangsina Sarpo film, this competition, the run time of the movie should be at least 10 minutes, right?
Like that? Okay.
I approached to one rural entertainment, that's who's called that, Mukrang Beke.
Okay.
For this movie to give me the YouTube rights.
Okay.
I approached Rurara also to upload this particular short film, but they said that we will not take other production film. We'll just produce from the banner of our production and we'll just upload it. So they will not take from the other production.
So where do you plan to publish this short movie?
This particular short film, I approached to many film production, like approached to Share Production. They never give me any response. Then they didn't give me the response till now. Share Production. I approached to Harchi Production also. They have confirmed me that they will not upload like short film. They will just make music video. Then again
it is their personal choice. They have their own rights.
Again I approached to Rural Entertainment, since they used to make a lot of short film.
Mhm.
So I thought that
But they will only publish in their own banner.
their own
Okay.
banner. So again, the last couple of days, I approached to Ani Keme Production, the CEO of Ani Keme Production, and he just give to me a response that telling me that he is busy these days since the
Budget session,
is going on in Guwahati Assembly House. I think, no? So when he back from Guwahati, he will just give me the confirmation.
Oh, I
Once
hope
the
it will be a
confirmation-
positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Once I got a confirmation, if it is okay, I'll just upload in the Ani Keme Production.
So, if anything, that means if anything negative from that particular channel, then what about
that
other options?
I have to take it another 2-3 months in order to get that YouTube
Okay.
rights.
Do you plan to, open an account in YouTube by yourself?
No, actually,
Because
no.
you are a writer, you are a director, you are multifaceted, multi-talented, so you need an account. So, are you planning?
First, I plan to just create my own channel. But again, I realized if I just create my account, I have to continuously put some of the content. After a month, maybe after 1 month, 2 months, or it may be after 3 months, I have to put the content. So if I need to put the content, first budget matters. If I wish to make, since I know to write the scripts, the story, another story, I may be able to write, but only story is not enough. Behind making the film needs budget. So I cannot manage of myself, my own. So I thought I will not create my channel. What I have done now, that particular output will give to the particular production. And then once I got the opportunity again, I will just do it like now. And then I will give it to another production. So maintaining an account is not an easy task. You have to continuously upload something, like not only short movie, other content also. You need budget. So first of all, I thought budget only. If I have budget, I will definitely make my account and continuously do this short film.
Well, we have discussed so many issues regarding education policy and about your project also, and it is a very great honor to talk with you, because at this young age you have done a lot for our society. You are associated with KSA and you are working as a teacher. You are setting example for others also, and I wish that in the coming, your future may be more brighter, and we are looking forward for your contributions more. So before we wind up this program, what would you like to say to our Carving Long Life viewers?
Once again, thank you so much for the teams of Carving Long for having me here. I just want to request that media is the place where we can get all information. So whoever not yet subscribed to the channel of Carving Long Life, just smash the subscribe button, and then just keep supporting for Carving Long Life to grow higher.
Okay, thank you so much, and I would like to request all our Carving Long Live viewers, please do see this movie, because this movie basically on education's awareness about the child, how underprivileged children they're struggling hard to study for their education right and all. And so please do watch and please do support him, and he's a very good writer also and a good producer director also, and at this so young age he have done a lot of things for our society, and thank you so much for talking to us, and once again thank you, and let's say Kardom to our Carving Long Live viewers. Kardom.